Good morning from North Dakota. So today I'm just pushing off production water at a disposal. But main reason for this video today is our company is looking for a couple of Class A CDL drivers with tanker endorsement. You don't need hazmat to haul water. If you're interested in working up here in North Dakota, put a comment in below on this YouTube video and I will get back in touch with you. I check the YouTube thing probably 4 times a day, so I'll get back to you pretty quick. If you want to put a number on there, I can text you. Like I said, we have a free room and board, so it's a big house that has separate rooms, and it's all guys there. But it doesn't matter if you're a guy or girl if you want to work up here. You got to get some FR stuff, FR clothing, and we have the trucks and everything. If you have winter driving experience, that's even better. We work in a certain area, not a lot of hills, not a lot of bad areas. There's a couple, but nothing bad. If you are interested in coming up and working, we can train you. Just if we train you up, we'd just like you to stay with us for a while, because the owner's a really nice guy. Takes good care of us, and if you're interested, give me a call or message me on YouTube, and I'll text you back or whatever you like. We can do it. If you are wanting to come up here to North Dakota to work and you got a little experience driving or whatever, give us hit me up. We're looking for 2 drivers right now. We got another fracking getting ready to start, so we'll have 3 that we got to take care of. So it'll be a standby gig. Mostly you sit around off the site of the frack site and you wait and until they call you, and then you go. But we train you. I would personally train you, and then the other guy that kind of runs standby would train you with the way they do stuff also. So if you are interested, hit me up and let me know. And if y'all want to see other things on the video, let me know. I'm happy to do it. Okay. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon.